All right, we're at a job site here. We're going to make a garage pad, 28 by 30, I believe. Going to put a culvert in. We're going to go a little bigger than what we got here. We're going to take that one back and get a longer one. The customer changed his mind. Anyway, we're going to get started. That's what she looks like now. I'll give you a little shot a little later. Got a big load of topsoil, got the culvert laid out, and we got her all skimmed ready for gravel next week. Get all that done. Looking good. How's everybody today? Well, we're back here at this garage pad, and the dump truck operator was here, dropped off 3 loads. So I've leveled out those 3 loads and we're waiting for him to come back, and we'll be continuing on. I believe we're going to have about 4 feet or more at this end. Anyway, we'll work away. Enjoy. Well, at the start of the day, the trucker had one truck on this job, and his other trucks were finishing up a job that he had already started. So one truck wasn't too bad, but then the second truck came, and it was keeping me hopping pretty good. And he had a third truck that he could have brought, but I don't think I could have handled it. This stuff was fairly heavy to move. It was pretty dense, and yeah, maybe my machine's a little small for a big job like this, but we can get her done. Now this stuff here is shale, and what they call this was medium, and we're doing a base layer of this medium, and then we're going to do a layer of fine. And some of the rocks in this were fairly significant, so I wasn't too impressed with the size of it, and I didn't want to get into getting it pretty close to the top where we're going to do the footing next summer. So we're getting a base layer of this, and then they're going to start hauling the fine stuff a little bit later. I'm pretty impressed with the way the machine works. It does the trick. I can maneuver it pretty well to level this out. It's not bad. I got some tricks up my sleeve that's coming. I've got a new piece of equipment that I'm going to add to the mini excavator, and I will show you that in an upcoming video soon. Well, now we have the first layer done of the medium shale. Now we're using the fine. There's still some big stuff in it. I think it's going to be a pain when we do dig out the foundation or the footing, but it's better than the stuff that we just laid. This stuff is smoothing out a lot better. The other stuff had some big stuff in it, and it was making it hard to make it flat. So this stuff is actually working pretty nicely at this point. So we'll work away, and it's easier for me to level out the load if the trucks are dumping over the edge. It saves me pushing the whole pile. But the trucks are coming fast and furious there now, and I can just keep up, and it's working out pretty nicely. So we'll work away here, and the customer, I think, is pretty good. He keeps checking where we are on height, and we're doing well. So there's still some fine work to do, but this is just a matter of getting the base roughed out, and then we'll come back and get her fine-tuned in another upcoming video. Here's that garage pad. It's not looking too bad. We've still got to level it off yet, but it's coming. He's got a big pile of topsoil, so that will be good. I had a pile of dirt here I just took down the road there for the culvert, so I'm going to level this off and go down and level off down there, and we're going to call it a day, and that'll be good. So anyway, this is the garage pad. We've got her laid out pretty good. He's got some topsoil here to finish up the edges to make it look pretty. That'll be next year. I'm going to level off a little bit here, clean this up, and then go level off down there where the culvert is.